Hello everyone, this is T1. It's been a while, but yeah, this time we're back and we're going to see how to download the Microsoft Teams. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is go to your browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome and type in Microsoft Teams download on google.com. And this should show up. You just click the first one, download the Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile apps. It takes you to this page and it's now obvious. You just click on this one, download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Let's just go ahead and do it. So yeah, I just got it here. Now, never mind the download folder I have, and now you just click on that MS Teams setup. I can just basically double click here, but yeah, I just clicked on the download folder. Well, while I was waiting, here it says, maybe you can see it, maybe you can see it, it says downloading Microsoft Teams. And as you can see from that, it shows that it's done and it downloaded. So that's it, that's pretty much it. It was pretty easy tutorial, and if you wanna see how to download this or that, just type in the comment section. I will be very happy to make videos about them. I don't have that big audience, so I wouldn't bother reading all your comments. And yeah, just do it. And also, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. And yeah, like automatically, if you comment something, you wanna subscribe for that, so I will make the video. Like, yeah, I'm pretty much sure we can make a good like communication between us if you start commenting more. Anyways, that's so much blabbling from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.